Amidst economic challenges, stimulus money offers a lifeline for small businesses striving to stay afloat. If you're a small business owner seeking financial support, understanding how to apply for stimulus money is crucial. In this detailed guide, we'll provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to navigate the process and secure stimulus funds to support your business's recovery and growth. Firstly, it's essential to stay informed about available stimulus programs and eligibility criteria. Governments often introduce various stimulus initiatives to support small businesses during times of economic hardship. Research the latest stimulus packages and determine which programs align with your business's needs and circumstances. Once you've identified relevant stimulus programs, carefully review the eligibility requirements and application guidelines. Eligibility criteria may vary depending on factors such as your business size, industry sector, revenue losses, and employment status. Pay close attention to deadlines and documentation requirements specified by the administering authority. Next, gather all the necessary documentation information required for the application process. This may include financial records, tax returns, payroll information, business licenses, and proof of revenue or revenue losses. Organizing your documents in advance will streamline the application process and ensure you meet all requirements. When completing your application, ensure that all information provided is accurate and up to date. Be transparent about your business's financial situation and clearly articulate how stimulus funds will support your recovery efforts and contribute to job retention or creation. Submit your application according to the instructions provided by the administering authority. Some stimulus programs may require online applications, while others may involve submitting paper forms or documentation via email or mail. Follow the specified procedures to ensure your application is processed efficiently. After submitting your application, be prepared to wait for processing. The duration may vary depending on the volume of applications and the complexity of the program. Stay informed about the status of your application and follow up with the administering authority if necessary. If your application is successful, you'll receive notification of approval and instructions on how to access stimulus funds. Be sure to comply with any reporting or documentation requirements specified by the program to maintain eligibility and ensure proper use of funds. In summary, applying for stimulus money for your small business requires careful planning, research, and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to navigate the application process and secure the financial support needed to overcome challenges and thrive in today's economy.